Hey there. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about this website here called Unstoppable Domains. Now, this is a website where you can buy a blockchain domain name. Now, before I talk about this website here, let's take a look at what a domain name is. It's essentially like youtube.com or facebook.com. It's the website address to the website. So it's the name of the link, right? So that's pretty much what a domain name is. Now, secondly, why would you want a blockchain domain name? Well, if you go down here, it'll give you two reasons. The first is that you can link different wallet addresses to that particular domain name. So just as you can see here, it's like, oh, what's your cryptocurrency address? Let me get it for you. And then if you now get this, oh, what's your blockchain address? And then it's, smile.crypto. So this is the very first reason why someone would want to get a crypto domain name. And the second reason is that you can launch uncensorable websites. So when you purchase a domain name on, let's just say like a .com, you only have that temporarily, right? You don't own it forever. But this one here, like once you purchase it, it's yours to keep forever, as long as you have the private keys to the wallet that it's on. So pretty much, this is your website for life, or your domain name for life, right? So in other words, you can launch a website on the blockchain and no one can take it away from you, right? No one can take down the .com. You can always create another domain name, and then people can still access your website, so on and so forth. So it's uncensorable. So that's the second reason, right? So I'm just going to show you here. So this is kind of going back to this part here. So in terms of sending people some crypto through a crypto domain, I'm going to show you an example. So right now, this is Mu, which is my Ether wallet, which is one of the supported wallets here that can do this. So you can only do that with these supported wallets so far, right? So whatever wallet you see here is where you can just type in the domain name and it'll generate the address for you. So don't try to do this on, let's say, Ledger or Trezor's website, or the Ledger Live software. It's not going to work. So and it's only the sender who needs to send from one of these. It does not mean that as a receiver that you have to set up your address with these specific wallets, because I thought that was the case, but it's actually not. You can actually have the wallet address to wherever you want. Only the sender has to be on one of these particular wallets. But let's take a look. So let's just say I go to my Ether wallet. I just created a random address here. Zero balance, doesn't matter. I'm going to click on send, right? And I'm going to type in my address here, crypto for Canadians.crypto. And then you're going to see that's my wallet address that I've linked to my domain name from Unstoppable Domains. So that's I thought that was that's a really cool feature. And so again, I don't need the actual full address. I can just type this in and then boom, it'll work as if it's this particular address that I assigned it to. So if you're interested in signing up, what you would do is you could come up here at the top and let's just say you're interested in cats, right? So cats, you just type it in and then it'll give you a list of I guess domain names that are related to it, right? So right now these are they don't have it, but let's just say cats and dogs or something like that. Cats and dogs, right? You want cats and dogs. Okay, there you go. So this one, cats and dogs .crypto, is $40, and this one .zil is 20. So the crypto one allows you to set up addresses for different cryptocurrencies. So example, you can assign a Bitcoin address, an Ethereum address, so on and so forth. With the Zil though, it's exclusively Zil, right? So they can only send you Zil. So that's the difference between the two. Whether you want to put the 40 or the 20, it's up to you. But for myself, for Canadians, I've got both, right? So I decided to try it out, and just because I thought it'd be very interesting just to test out and then make a video on it. So yeah, that's how you can get it. One thing I want to say is that once you buy it, it's yours forever. So I mean, like for 40 bucks or like 20 bucks, that's for you to keep forever. No more, no renewal fees or anything like that. So let's just say you want to get a domain name. You can use uh, different payment methods. So if let's just say I add this to my cart, check out. If I want this, I can pay by credit card, I can pay by PayPal, I can pay by crypto, right? And so these are the cryptos that I would have to click start transaction. And then these are the cryptos that they offer you to pay them in. So Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, DAI, Litecoin, and USD coin. Now, I just want to go back for a second, and I want to talk about this over here. I found this very interesting. The fact that .crypto domains are live in Opera for Android. So if you download or have Opera on your phone and you type in, let's just say, if you type in, I know this one for a fact, kyber.crypto into your Opera browser on Android, it'll actually launch Kyber Network's swap website, but it only works on Android. I tried it on my computer, doesn't work so far, but only Android. So, but yeah, I think that's a great step forward for decentralized internet. If you're interested in buying a domain name, I'll leave a link down below where you can check them out. And yeah, so pretty much that's blockchain domain names or unstoppable domains. So yeah, if you found this video informative or informational, then please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, then leave it down below and I'll be sure to answer it. And for yourself, do you have a blockchain domain name, or have you ever thought of one? Leave a comment down below on what your blockchain name is, and I'd love to see what you guys have or come up with. But yeah, other than that, if you are interested in receiving notifications of my future videos, then hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.